Draw a circle. Then draw a line down the middle of the circle. Find a third of a circle. Extend down. Just hit the chin. Draw a horizontal line under the circular ladder. There are two slopes inward. With this horizontal line, connect. Then you should chin this dot to connect. The following words present a triangle. We use arcs on top of this base to give it. Round the corner a little bit. Gnawing chin, not so sharp. This is his upper eyelid. Then we draw the bar below. This is his lower eyelid. There is a size we fixate on this eye, with two parentheses, just to summarize. Draw a little bit in the middle. The words in the middle are the distance of one eye. Look both ways. The distance from the outer corner of the eye to the side is the same. The words above here are his eyebrows. From the upper eye nose to the half of the chin is him. Location of snot. From the nose to the upper half of the chin is the position of the mouth. Then find out one of his hairlines. We draw the hairline a little lower, and then generalized one of his hairstyles. If you have ears, bring your ears in this atrium, that is, to the eyebrows, between the bottom of the nose, a length of. The front ear can see less, so we draw a little bit, flatten a little. Let's add one of his hairstyles. First, draw a shape of it. Plus one of his clothing. Suddenly, to bring out the shape of this eye, slight upper eyelid wrinkles, draw a little thicker. In the outer corner of his eye, he's right after the one we've scheduled. Outside here, stop his black eye. Here is the same. On top of this big hair on thigh. Then deepen one of his. The neckline is fine. If